Happy Sunday, Bold Thinkers. It's Kanisha from boldlivingtoday.com. I hope you all are planning to have a relaxed and restful Sunday that's nourishing and, gives you a nice, break in getting ready for the week ahead. I know a lot of times when you're coming off a holiday or a vacation, the day before you go back to work or go back to school, there's all these thoughts swirling about how things are going to ramp up. And I know for a lot of people who have school age kids, this is the last part of the first semester. So there's a lot of stuff going on mentally about completing tasks and projects. And, since it's a pandemic, we don't have all the extra activities of like performances and things like that. But there's still the energy around different things. So I want to encourage you to make a fun list today of if I had more time, I would do, or I would, and make a list of all the things you would do if you would have more time. And then as you enter this upcoming week, instead of trying to do everything at once at a frenzied pace, use some creativity from your list to boost your productivity. And when I say productivity, your productivity of getting things done well at a pace that fits your productivity profile. So think about the things you would do if you had more time and then try to incorporate some of those activities into this upcoming week. Maybe take 2 things from the list and try to do them during the week. And even if you can't do something from your list to completion, get started on it, especially if it's going to make you happy or excited and boost your creativity. And also, just remember that you can set your own pace, and setting your own pace means you might have to ask for more help, or you might have to postpone some things, or you might have to just keep your eyes on your own paper so you don't fall into a comparison trap. So if I had more time, I would play around with that for today. Go gentle with yourself, practice some self-compassion, get rid of the self-rejection, go on a self-rejection detox, which I think is super important at this time of year, and enjoy yourself. So I'm outside. I'm going to get the paper and get back in bed and read it. I've had a little walk here. I also need to wash my hair. So have a good day, everybody.